1. Answer 91. 2. If radius of one sphere is half of radius of another sphere, then their volumes are in the ratio. Answer 1:8. 3. Water flowed into a tank 200 meter into 150 meter through a rectangular pipe 1.5 into 2.5 meter at 20 kilometer per hour. Water level rise by 2 meters in dash minutes. Answer 96 minutes. 4. If table is coded as 21235, then time is coded as answer 2945. 5. If 2x plus 3y is equal to 14 and xy is equal to 3, then the value of 4x square plus 9y square is answer 160. 6. If pi 22 by 7, then the area of semicircle with radius 35 centimeter is answer 1925 centimeter square. 7. By selling a car for rupees 2 lakh, a man suffered a loss of 20%. The cost price of the car is answer 2,50,000. 8. The population of a town increases 5% annually but is decreased by emigration annually to the extent of 1%. The population increase percent in 3 years is answer 12.47%. 9. If the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum is rupees 155, then the principal is answer 5,000. 10. What comes next? Answer C. 11. The missing letter is answer S. 12. Match the following. Answer A2, B3, C1, D4. 13. A national religion called Din-i-Ilahi was promulgated by answer Akbar. 14. The famous shore temple at Mahabalipuram was built in which century? Answer 7th century. 15. Which of the following statements about arrangements is true? Answer 1, 2 and 3. 16. Consider the following statements. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 2 is correct, 1 is wrong. 17. In which year Indian Universities Act was passed? Answer 1904. 18. Consider statement and reason. Choose the correct answer from the quotes below. Answer both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 19. According to the Citizenship Act of 1955, how many ways have been prescribed for acquiring citizenship? Answer 5. 20. Which are the articles come under the right to freedom of religion? Answer Articles 25 to 28. 21. The salary and other perks of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is equated with the salary of answer the Judge of the Supreme Court. 22. In which way the process are shared between the state government and the central government in India? Answer list system. 23. Answer A is true but R is false. 24. According to the 73rd Amendment Act, which specifies what amount of population of a state may not constitute panchayat at intermediate level panchayat samiti? Answer less than 20 lakh. 25. The Indian Telephone Industries Limited, the first public sector undertaking in the country, was incorporated in answer 1950. 26. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer none of the above. 27. Mass poverty in developing countries is due to answer all the above. 28. Modified National Agricultural Insurance Scheme was launched in India during the period of answer 2010 to 11. 29. Asteroids are found between answer Mars and Jupiter. 30. Which monsoon area does in India come under? Answer area of true monsoon. 31. Yokohama strategy and plan of action was associated with answer natural disaster management. 32. The war of Mercury is answer Cinnabar. 33. The seeds which contain abundant glyocysomes are answer germinating seeds. 34. Which plant is an excellent example for autonomic movement of variation? Answer Desmodium gyrans. 35. Where does oxidative phosphorylation take place? Answer mitochondrion. 36. What is physical and mental dependence on drugs called? Answer addiction. 37. The enzyme that joins the DNA fragments is answer ligase. 38. In a reactor, the moderator is answer heavy water. 39. The first metro city in India to get a floating market is answer Kolkata. 40. The first city in India to have a common mobility card for rides on public buses and the metro is answer Delhi. 41. Who is the president of World Bank from April 2019? Answer David Malpass. 42. NASA's Mars helicopter will reach the surface of the red planet in the year answer 2021. 43. The name of new era of Japan is called dash under the rule of Emperor Naruhito. Answer Reiwa. 44. Where was the jumping spider spotted in India during the year 2019? Answer Tamil Nadu. 45. In October 2017, India held anti-submarine warfare exercise with which of the following country? Answer Japan. 46. In adult ranking of institution on innovation and achievements, ARIIA 2019, which of the following institution has secured the top spot in private institution category? Answer Vellore Institute of Technology. 47. Who won the US Open 2017 mixed double title? Answer Martina Hingis and Jamie Murray. 48. Who will act as the chairperson of GST Council? Answer Union Finance Minister. 49. The number of prime factors of 3 into 5 power 12, 2 into 7 power 10, 10 power 25 is answer 94. 50. Monthly expenditure of a person whose monthly salary is rupees 9,000 is shown in the diagram. Percentage of money spent for food expenses. Answer 40%. 51. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 36, 54 and 72 days respectively. They started the work but A left 8 days before the completion of work, while B left 12 days before the completion. The number of days for which C worked. Answer 24. 52. If x is equal to 2.414, then the value of x minus 1 by x square is answer 4. 53. The missing number is answer 28. 54. Even after giving a discount of 20%, the shop owner gets a profit of 10%. If the market price is rupees 2,200, then the cost price is answer rupees 1,600. 55. A train running at 54 km per hour takes 20 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it takes 12 seconds to pass a man walking 6 km per hour in the same direction. The length of train and length of platform are answers 160 meter, 140 meter. 56. If length is 12 meter and breadth 8 meter, then perimeter of a rectangle is answer 40 meter. 57. The total surface area and curved surface area of the right circular cylinder of radius 7 cm and height 20 cm are answer. Total surface area is equal to 1188 cm square. Curved surface area is equal to 880 cm square. 58. The LCM of 90, 150 and 225 is answer 450. 59. The largest four-digit number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27 is answer 9720. 60. Answer 15. 61. The value of a machine decreases by 5% every year. If the purchase price is rupees 60,000, after 3 years, the value of the machine is answer rupees 51,442.50. 62. What comes next? Answer G plus U plus 4. 63. The religious sect Ajivika at the time of Mauryas was founded by answer Makkali Gosala. 64. Which of the following Tamil literature mentioned about Thiru festival? Answer Madurai Kanchi. 65. By which year the Dutch established their factories at Publicat? Answer 1610. 66. Which discourse of Gautama Buddha has been called as the discourse on the tuning of the wheel of law? Answer discourse at the Deer Park at Saranath. 67. In 1982, Gandhiji was sentenced for 6 years for writing his articles in which among the following newspapers? Answer Young India. 68. Who threw the bomb on King's Fort? The unpopular dead at Muzaffarpur. Answer Khudiram Bose. 69. Where did the Mopla rebellion of 1920-21 broke out? Answer Kerala. 70. 1982, the Agricultural Refinance and Development Corporation was merged into answer NEBRD. 71. Which of the following is true about the Constitution of India? Answer adopted on November 26, 1949 and enacted on January 26, 1950. 72. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Answer Vice President. 73. 56. Man can complete a piece of work in 24 days. In how many days 42 man can complete the same piece of work? Answer 32. 74. Match list 1 with Lesotho. Answer A4, B1, C3, D2. 75. Answer A and R are true, but R is the not correct explanation of A. 76. In case of Lok Sabha, the quorum to constitute a sitting of houses answer 1/10 of the total membership. 77. What is the length of road in Tamil Nadu in the year 2010 to 11? Answer 2,05,557 km. 78. SIDBI is answer Small Industries Development Bank of India. 79. Which statement is correct for Indian Planning Commission? Answer 1, 2, 3 and 4. 80. Observe the following characteristics of a good tax system. Answer both 1 and 2 are true. 81. Which is the largest salt lake of India? Answer Sambar Lake. 82. Which of the following gas was the renowned for the Bhopal tragedy? Answer MAC. 83. Which is largest plate of the Earth's surface? Answer, Pacific plate. 84. Which of the following is an acidic salt? Answer, NaHSO3. 85. In pesticides, the example for contact poison is? Answer, rotenone. 86. The higher fatty acid is in oil is? Answer, palmitic acid. 87. 87. Match the following. Answer, A2B1C4D3. 88. The extracellular fluid of blood is? Answer, plasma. 89. Plasma is a cloud of? Answer, completely ionized matter. 90. The science of time measurement or clock making is? Answer, horology. 91. RC coupling is used for? Answer, voltage amplification. 92. Match the following and choose the correct option. Answer, A3B1C4D2. 93. Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank are merged with? Answer, Bank of Baroda. 94. Who won the UNESCO Asia Pacific Award of Merit 2017? Answer, Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Sri Rangam, India. 95. Which country has become the world's first country to equal pay for women and men from January 2018? Answer, Iceland. 96. Right to privacy is a fundamental right. Belongs to which of the following article? Answer, Part 3 of Constitution, article from 12 to 35. 97. India's first bullet train is planned between dash and dash stations, which is initiated by out Prime Minister on September 2017. Answer, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. 98. Who won the Comeback of the Year award in the ESPN India Multisports for the year 2018? Answer, Saina Nehwal. 99. National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) has constructed nearly dash world-class national highways till September 2017. Answer, 30,000 kilometers. 100. The new payment bank has launched by Union Finance Minister on November 2017 is? Answer, Paytm Payment Bank.